to video 2 upstairs. We've got a big, great room. Why it's half and half, I don't know. Got the second bedroom, nice size, girly room. It's got some angles in here. Then we go over here. We've got the bathroom, double vanity, and shower, toilet, green tile. Another large bedroom. Bedrooms are very big, nice sized rooms. Okay, this is going to go back downstairs. This is the upstairs. And there's your downstairs. Carpet's a little warm. Okay, I'm going to go open up the other living quarters and start another video. So, here's your view to the living room. The ceilings aren't as high as I like. You know, I think that you probably like a little bit higher, but they are 9 feet. They have inset lighting, can lighting in the kitchen. Kitchen's nice. You've got a nice bar right here. It's good party room.